if it isn't the galaxy's favorite Lombaxes? Come to rescue your little friend?
Our quarrel isn't with you, Cassiopeia. Hand over Clank and we'll cause no more trouble.
Cause no more trouble, huh? Karina and Libra are dead thanks to you. And now that we've gotten what we need from the caretaker, his time has come. Valkyries! Destroy the Lombaxes!
We had to split up. Sonic, you go with Ratchet to find Clank. I'll go with Alistair to find Lisa. Lisa! Lisa? I thought I would never see you again.
Poor thing. You've wandered right into our Valkyrie training course. No man has ever survived! Farewell, Ratchet. Take solace in the fact that you never stood a chance. Vile creature! You'll pay for that! Still alive? Well, let's see how you survive a silo of deadly nerve toxin. Wretched space rat! Vile creature! You'll pay for that!
Oh, man.
Hello, Ratchet. I see. I'm actually happy you survived the training course. It would have been a shame to lose such a worthy opponent to some cheap machine.
Speaking of cheap machines, how much is your boyfriend paying you to do his dirty work?
Tongue. And an amusing observation coming from some orphan doomed to spend his entire life alone. You know that robot of yours who's ready to kick up his little metal feet and stay in the Great Clock forever? Yeah, he wants to leave you, didn't you know that? Don't worry, I'll kill the both of you before he gets the chance!
Clank!
Oh, nothing compared to what I'm about to do to you.
Clank! Wake up!
Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna lie here for a while, though, okay? Whew. I'm sorry about your father, Clank. I should have stopped Nefarious sooner.
It is all right, Ratchet. Nefarious will pay for what he has done. The only thing that matters now is that we keep the clock safe.
Now don't worry. Once the past's been corrected, you'll have the full support of the Lombax Praetorian Guard. The clock will be in good hands.
Using the clock improperly could rip the very fabric of existence.
Or it could save an entire race of Lombaxes who risked their lives to defend this galaxy.
Ratchet, remember the Dimensionator. Some risks are not worth taking.
Well, maybe Clank's right. If there's even a chance it could destroy the universe, the risk is just too great.
Risk? Risk is what makes us who we are. Ratchet, our kind is lost without us. Think of how many that clock can save. Think of your parents.
I'm sorry. We need to stop Nefarious before he makes the same mistake we almost did. So, you coming, General? General?
I don't believe it. You got every piece. Son, when this thing is built, it'd be best if we didn't discuss the matter again. Galactic authorities would throw us both in Zordoom just for looking at it. Now stand back. I present to you the Rhino 5, the most powerful weapon in the known universe. You be careful with this thing now. It packs a heck of a punch.
Ratchet, Space Rat, your path is far from over. For you see, the most horrifying truth is yet to be revealed. My dear Lombax, I am your father. Accountant, did that do it? Did that sufficiently blow your mind? Let that just roll around for a bit. Oh, now, come, find me in the Corvus sector, and let us end what we began! Forcelon out! Welcome back, Lombax. In anticipation of our battle, I've taken the liberty of upgrading my suit. Prepare for terror unlike you have ever known!
Is he always this dramatic?
Yeah, it's kind of his shtick. Alright, Forcelon, let's end this once and for all.
Alright, one last time, Forcelon. We will never see you again as well after we defeat you.